And having Sanjeev here, Sanjeev, since you were already talking about how data predominantly leads your business and a lot of other decisions that you make are data backed, it'll be great if you can share some examples and some bit of your experience working with the product live in chat.
Yeah, thanks, Akshay. Actually, you just rightly mentioned that while the procurement tool helped to negotiate with the vendors in the background using the reverse auction, but then there was this negotiating tool which was always available as the last bit to further squeeze the lemon. But how much more we can squeeze the lemon was never known to us. So it was a guess whether it is 5% more or 10% more. No, never knew. Now this GF Optima is giving us that, okay, there is still a scope, kind of this is where you can go and this is where you have. So that gives my team to set a benchmark when they are trying to negotiate using those powerful tools. And that's what has taken our savings from whatever they were to a notch up, and then that's where my planners or my team has been very excited about, because now they are more aware with the data that what they are going to, and when they see their knowledge is converting into dollars, I think they get more excited with that. So I think that's where awareness of the rate on the market was never available. You only knew what your platform or your vendors were quoting to you, maybe 3 or 5. So you had a data of 5, but now you have data across the market, and you can see whether your vendors are above, below, or at par, and then it helps you to go again. I think that's the point.